everything is going to be tested to perfection. And I have no qualms in saying that I think they will be very safe and that all necessary precautions will be taken. And of course, we have to do our bit, that we have to take our precautions. The world, the rest of the people participating have to contribute towards maintaining the safety standards over there. We have to do our bit, but I'm sure as far as the organization is concerned, it will be superb and very safe. I think that the Beijing Winter Olympics are going to be a fantastic opportunity for the athletes, not only as far as their performance is concerned, but also to get to know each other, to get to work with each other, to understand each other, and contribute towards developing a more harmonious atmosphere as far as the world is concerned.